In this video, I'll show you how you can save Steam games even when deleting Steam. Now, first step is you want to find a Steam game. Now keep in mind, it can only be offline games. If you use an online game, you need to have the Steam installed. But let's say it's an offline game like this one. You right click on it, properties, installed files, press browse. And from in here, you're gonna go to Steam apps and copy your common folder. Then simply paste it anywhere, like your desktop or something. And then you want to head down here, go to apps and features, and you want to uninstall Steam. So find Steam, click on it, uninstall. Then simply head over to your common folder and double click on the game you want to play, and it will still be able to launch even without the Steam. However, if it's an online game, it will not be able to do it. So make sure it's only an offline game. It can be something like Among Us that you play local instead of online and stuff like that. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.